Cody here, and I am here doing a new YouTube series. It's called Living Being. So I'm just gonna live like a human being. That's what it's called, anyways. So let's get straight into it now. I don't think there's anything right here. And just yo, village. Well, it's kind of like a village. Should I, oh yeah, now I got memory back. Okay, so my friend, Casey, she told me to move into this village. And she said she already got me a house and stuff, but I'm not sure that's true. So, I'm gonna try to find I'm trying to get up. Wait, what am I getting up again? Guess I just kind of want to view. Oh yeah, because this is the house that she said I'll be staying in. This is wow. I am lucky to have a friend like Casey. I forgot what ink says, but I got 3 emeralds, 5 bread, and okay. I don't really have a bed. I guess I can make one. Ow, that hurt. So there's supposed to be something somewhere, I guess. And oh wait, I think it's over here. So over here. Here it is. And she said there's supposed to be a ladder. And there's equipment in my house, but she said there's supposed to be a chest up here. And that will have some of my equipment. And we can... is that the chest? Yeah, this is the chest. She sure did give me a lot of armor. I'm gonna hold out my axe for a while. What is that? Guys, do you see that? What I'm seeing? Do you see what I'm seeing? Right there, it's dumping. Should I check it out? I don't know if I'll have... Hang on. I won't have a way back up, but I could just dig from over there. Whoa, that's like a big giant bridge thing. I just saw that. I'm not going down there. I already know what it is. I forgot what this is. What is it? Some wood. Hey, Papa John. Ooh, mining wood with this is so fast. Oh, well, not mining wood. I'm gonna put a crafting table in my house. But first, I need a door to my house, and I need a sign. Let's get one of these, Okay, now let's get a crafting table. Hang on, I'll be right back. So we're back, guys, and let's go to our house. And Okay. Ooh. Should we use this? Because I don't really want to die. Ow. Ow. How was I falling? Okay, so let's go to our place. She set us off with some good stuff. Oh wait, it's over here. Forgot. Wait. There we go. Okay. So we're gonna go to our house, you know. We're gonna start like settling in. I'm gonna settle in. Okay, now. I love how I get to like parkour up to my house. Okay, so. And. Okay guys, so, wait a minute. Oh, I forgot it was going. Okay, so, we need one more wool, and then, wait a minute. Ooh, we could probably make a bed now. Like, right when it turns night, we can go to bed. Yay, I can make a bed. I'm gonna need some chests. So let's get our crafting table. Hurry before it turns to night. Hurry. I went the wrong way. Hurry before the monsters come out. So, I know my way around here now. Casey said she was like the lord of the village, whatever that means. And let's have her bed outside. It's like more, it's just uncomfortable. You know, like we get to see the stars. Okay, so we're just gonna like let's put a chest. Okay, so the chest is gonna go here. I'm not really hungry. Okay, so I put all my stuff in there. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go get more trees, It's morning, and we have nothing in our room. Wait, will this work? We use dirt. Go here. Maybe like with these or something. Will this work? Yeah. I'm gonna try to make it to that room. Hoods. No, I didn't make it. Okay. So, let's go get some more trees. Okay, no. Okay, come on. Okay. Let's get some of this wood. guys, I'll be doing this series of village being. Yeah, that's what I just remembered what it's called. It's called human being. No. No. Okay. We need a crafting table. Should I just get another tree? Yeah, let's just get this little tree. Okay. Now. Oopsie, where to get to? Okay, now so. Why don't I just keep grabbing the one only thing that we can get at the end? Okay. So. Ooh. No, we're not hungry, so. I can make some, chicken. And I can make some gizmo. Okay. So, well, my armor isn't even, like, almost, we're here. Here we go. And 1, 2, 1, no. 1, 2. I don't need this right now. I don't need that. Okay. Oh, it's just working. It's working. How is it working? Yay! I'm gonna get me some steak. I'm gonna put all these in there because I don't need them. Okay. So, guys, I'm going to end this episode here. Let's go for 60 likes, and if you like 50 likes if you want more, and then subscribe if you also want more. And we're gonna try to do a season 2 if I get like a lot of subscribers. So I hope you enjoyed. Slap that like button, 50 likes, and subscribe for more. So yeah, peace out.